What's up guys, it's your boy G, and today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I prefer manual mode over auto mode in photography. Let's go. When you shoot in manual mode, the camera predicts the settings that you need in order to capture what it sees. When you shoot in manual mode, at that point you have full control over the settings and you have full control over the outcome. Sometimes auto mode misjudges the lighting scenario and it can lead to bad lighting. Whereas when you use manual mode, you have full control, once again, over the exposure, which allows you to have better control over what the outcome would be when you press that shutter button. When you shoot in auto mode, the camera decides the appropriate blur for the image that it sees. But when you shoot in manual mode, you have complete control over the aperture as well as the shutter speed and ISO, which at that point you have again full control over what you intend to capture. Sometimes when you have a low light shoot using auto mode, the camera struggles and it doesn't know what to do per se. So what happens is, if you have a built-in flash, that flash may pop up and that might not be what you want at that point in time. But again, when you shoot in manual mode, you have full control over your aperture, ISO, and your shutter speed, and at that point you can tackle low light from a better vantage point. Don't get me wrong guys, auto mode is great. Trust me, I shot in auto mode for maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years. And look, I'm gonna tell you like this, when it hits, it hits. I'm talking about you have a tack sharp image and it's perfect. But when you start getting into more complex concepts, when you get into more complex lighting scenarios, auto mode may not be advantageous to you. That's why I suggest you guys to learn manual mode, because again, as I said previously, once you learn ISO, aperture, and shutter speed, it will take your consistency and your creativity to a whole nother level. And I'm gonna tell you like this, once you learn manual mode, when you put your auto mode shots up to your manual mode shots, man, I'm telling you, that manual mode is gonna blow it out the water once you understand how those concepts correlate. So with that being said, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and holler at your boy.